everyone, welcome to Kashish Kitchen. Today I am going to make veg cheesy lasagna with using bread and without oven. And these are the ingredients for the veggies we are going to saute. So for that, let's start. First of all, in a pan, here I take 3 tablespoons of oil, and when the oil heat up, here I take 4 to 5 tablespoons of finely chopped garlics. Now sauteed garlics well. After that, here I take finely chopped onions. Here I take 3 medium sized of onions. After the onions, here I add finely chopped carrots. After that, finely chopped capsicums. After that, boiled sweet corns. After that, give it a good mix. After that, add 1.5 tablespoons of red chili powder. After that, 1 tablespoon of the red chili flakes. After the chili flakes, here I am using pizza pasta seasoning. Don't forget to add this pizza pasta seasoning. After that, mixed herbs, then black pepper powder and salt as per the taste. So our veggies is ready. Now it's time for white sauce. So for white sauce, in a pan, here I take 3 tablespoons of butter, or you can use ghee also. When the butter heat up properly, after that here I add 3 tablespoons of flour, that means maida. After that we have to whisk it properly. After that gradually add the milk, and we have to whisk it till it not became some thick. After that add 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. After that 1 tablespoon of pizza pasta seasoning. After that mixed herbs, then black pepper powder, and after that add salt as per the taste. Now whisk it gradually, and our white sauce is ready for the lasagna. Now it's time for making the red sauce. So for that, first of all, in a pan, here I take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and when the oil heat up properly, here I add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlics, then 1 big sized of onion. After that, the tomato puree. Now in that I add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, then 1 tablespoon of pizza pasta seasoning, then mixed herbs, black pepper powder. After that, salt as per the taste. Here I take 1 tablespoon of salt. After that, in a big kadai, here I add some salt for the baking of lasagna, but if you have oven then it's better. After that, this is the mold for lasagna. First of all, here I spread some red sauce. After that, 4 breads. After that, again red sauce, then white sauce. After that, the veggies. After that, grate some cheese. You can use mozzarella cheese also. After that, again repeat the same process. We have to do 3 layer, but if your molder is small, then you can do 2 layer also, and bigger than this molder, then you can use 4 layer also. Now bake it in this kadai and close with some big vessel for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, your lasagna is ready. So as you can see that our cheese is melt properly and our lasagna is ready. It's looking so yummy. Now our lasagna is ready. So for more interesting videos, like, share and subscribe my videos. Bye guys.